Okay, so I'm tying my belt right now, and unknown to me, Gabe is going to run over to me and attack me. I tried to tell him, hey, I'm trying to tie my belt on, but he continues. You can hear the coach said, just go ahead and dive on him. So I go down. He has my foot locked up, but I'm able to get side control, and so I put on a forearm choke, and I'm able to secure the tap pretty soon here. Alright, so we're getting ready to start up again, and I go for one of my bread and butter takedowns from the knees. I should have had my knees up from one of my knees up from the very beginning. It would have been too easy to pull me down. But I get him in side control. He's struggling. And now I'm trying to knee on belly where I turn in and I can try to get a triangle. That's where I'm going, to the left side, knee on belly. But then I'm able to secure a crucifix instead. He's jumping around a lot, and he's flailing his arms, so it's hard to try to secure it for a straight arm lock or a Kimura. So I go to north-south.
Man, Justice said not today. The way you roll this morning will determine your year.
And so now I'm pulling his arm around, and I'm trying to insert my other arm in there so I can connect it for a squeeze choke, but I can't get it. So what I'm going to decide to do is just to use it to twist him over on his belly. We keep moving around, and so here's where I start to use his arm to twist him on his belly. I learned this a long time ago. Airplane choke, and he was making a lot of noise, and he told me he didn't tap during this time. So we're grappling again, and we reached the end of our time limit. All right, thanks for listening, guys. Until next time.